Welcome to our channel, where we explore the profound wisdom of Vedic traditions. Today, we're focusing on one of the most powerful spiritual opportunities of 2025, Shani Jayanti, the birth anniversary of Lord Shani, occurring on Tuesday, May 27th. Visit AustriaViennaPuja.com for personalized Saturn remedies. Shani Jayanti 2025 falls on Tuesday, May 27th, coinciding with Jyeshtha Amavasya, the new moon day in the month of Jyeshtha. According to Vedic calculations, the Amavasya Tithi begins at 12:11 p.m. on May 26th and continues until 8:31 a.m. on May 27th, 2025, making early morning the most auspicious time for rituals. The most auspicious time for conducting Shani Pujas, the Shani Puja Muhurat, extends approximately from sunrise until noon on May 27th. This timing is particularly powerful as Tuesday, Mars Day, combines with Shani Jayanti, creating a unique energy that helps overcome obstacles and challenges. What makes 2025's Shani Jayanti especially significant is that it occurs during a period when Saturn will be transiting through Aquarius, one of its own signs. This creates a stronger than usual connection to Lord Shani's energy, amplifying the effectiveness of all remedies and prayers performed on this day. Lord Shani is the divine personification of planet Saturn. Born to Surya, sun god, and Chaya, shadow goddess, his birth story reveals the origins of his testing nature. When young Shani opened his eyes for the first time, his gaze fell upon his father, turning Surya temporarily black, demonstrating the power of Shani's drishti or glance. After Sarnu, Surya's wife, found his brightness unbearable, she created Chaya as her shadow replacement. During Chaya's intense penance to Lord Shiva, she gave birth to Shani. His dark complexion caused Surya to doubt Chaya's fidelity, but Lord Shiva revealed the truth about Shani's divine nature and blessed him with the authority to deliver justice. Lord Shani is depicted with dark blue or black complexion, holding a sword, danda, staff, and sometimes a trident. His vehicle is a crow, symbolizing keen observation and awareness. As the slowest moving planet, taking approximately 30 years to complete his zodiacal journey, he meticulously processes karmic accounts with perfect justice. In Vedic astrology, Saturn governs discipline, responsibility, longevity, and karma. His influence creates life's greatest challenges but also our most meaningful growth. Periods like Sade Sati, 7.5 years of Saturn's transit over one's moon sign, and Dhaiya, 2.5 years of specific Saturn transits, are times of intensive karmic processing. Shani Jayanti provides a rare opportunity to reduce karmic burdens and accelerate spiritual growth. Lord Shani is not merely punitive, he is Dharma's enforcer, ensuring we learn necessary lessons. By honoring him on his birth anniversary, we acknowledge his role in our spiritual evolution and invite his blessings rather than restrictions. Preparing for Shani Jayanti begins with physical purification. Rising before sunrise, take a ritual bath, preferably with black sesame oil or black till. Wear clean, simple clothing in dark blue, black, or white. Prepare your altar in the west or southwest direction of your home, as these directions resonate with Saturn's energy. Create a sacred space with a Shani yantra or image placed on a black cloth. Arrange 7 types of whole grains in small containers around the image. Place an iron object to represent Saturn's metal. The lamp should ideally use mustard oil with a black cotton wick. Include blue or purple flowers and sesame seeds as offerings. Begin the ritual by meditating on Lord Shani's form. Apply a small amount of sesame oil to the deity or yantra. Offer black flowers, black sesame seeds, and black urad dal. Light the oil lamp and offer incense. The key is sincerity rather than elaborate ritual. Shani appreciates honest devotion over external display. Recite the Shani Bej mantra Om Sham Shaneshcharaya Nama 108 times using a black or blue cord for counting. For deeper connection, the Shani Gayatri mantra Om Sanayacharaya Vidmahe Surya Putraya Tanomanda Prachodayat creates profound resonance with Saturn's higher energies when chanted 28 times. Consuming only black foods like black gram, black sesame seeds, and black rice. Avoid salt and eat only once during the day. Break your fast after sunset while facing west, ideally after darshan of stars in the evening sky. Lord Shani is deeply pleased by acts of compassion, especially toward the elderly, disabled, and underprivileged. Donating dark blue or black clothing, iron items, sesame oil, or raw grains brings powerful blessings. Feeding crows, Shani's vehicle, with black sesame seeds and rice is particularly auspicious on this day. Special remedies on Shani Jayanti include lighting 7 mustard oil lamps facing west. Walking barefoot on grass while reciting Shani mantras grounds his energy. Serving food to those affected by disability or age demonstrates alignment with Shani's justice and compassion. Even small, sincere offerings create significant spiritual merit. For those seeking to balance Saturn's influence in their birth chart, Shani Jayanti is the ideal day to energize and wear Saturn gemstones. Blue sapphire neelam is the primary stone, though amethyst or blue spinel can substitute for those who find blue sapphire too intense. These should be set in iron or silver and worn on the middle finger. The 2025 Shani Jayanti carries special significance as Saturn will be in Aquarius, one of his own signs, creating Swakshetra Bala, or own sign strength. Additionally, Jupiter's aspect on Saturn during this period creates a balanced energy that makes spiritual growth and material stability simultaneously possible, a rare and auspicious combination. After completing your Shani Jayanti rituals, spend time in silent meditation, contemplating areas of your life requiring greater discipline and responsibility. This is an excellent time to commit to new habits that align with your higher purpose. Reading chapters of the Shani Purana or reflecting on Saturn's lessons in your journal deepens the connection. How do you know when Lord Shani is pleased with your devotion? Signs include increased capacity for discipline, acceptance of responsibility without resentment, patient perseverance during challenges, and a growing sense of inner authority. Saturn's greatest blessing is the ability to find joy in simplicity and meaning in difficulty. Shani Jayanti 2025 offers a powerful opportunity to transform your relationship with time, discipline, and karma. By approaching Lord Shani with respect and sincere devotion, you can convert challenges into stepping stones for spiritual ascension. Visit AustriaViennaPuja.com for personalized Saturn remedies based on your birth chart. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of cosmic wisdom. If you found value in understanding Shani Jayanti's significance, please subscribe to our channel for more Vedic wisdom. May Lord Shani's justice be tempered with mercy in your life, and may his discipline lead you to your highest potential.